All right, good morning, traders. This is your free video from seasonalswingtrader.com. Today is Wednesday, September 27th, 2017. And as we round out the end of the month here, I want to quickly go through some of the positions that our members have on in the month of September. So let's go to the first markets here. Looking at the grain markets, we're looking at December wheat, ZWZ7, also long WEAT, the ETF. We're long here from approximately 447 on this breakout. You see we pull back down a couple times to this trend line at the 436 area. Currently trading around 456, so we're up about 9 cents or $450 a contract. Our first targets are going to be up here at the 475 level. So we're looking for 475 or about 30 cents, which is around $1,500 per contract as our first target. Looking at the corn market, we are taking a little bit of heat on the corn market. We're long from approximately 360. We're down here trading at 351. So we're down about 9 cents on the corn market. So that offsets the current open P&L on the wheat market. We're also long, and similar to the wheat trade, we're long the ETF corn, CORN. So our members have the ability to trade the underlying commodity futures as well as the ETF, and you can see here in our members area, we display both options here. So anytime there's a comparable ETF to trade alongside the futures, we list it down here below. So here in corn, we're long ZCC7, and then in the ETF ETN market, we have a corresponding ETF or ETN market. Going into other trades that we are in, we're currently short the Australian dollar up here at 79.40 area, trading down at 78.50. So up about 80 or 90 ticks there, $800 to $900 per contract. We'll be looking to move our stops down here as long as the price holds below the 50-day moving average. We're also short the euro currency from 118.90. We're currently traded at 117.95. So again, up almost 90 ticks or so on this trade. And with each tick being $12.50, that's around $1,100 to $1,200 per contract. And the cool thing here about trading the currencies, we do not have to trade the underlying futures contract. So as I've stated in numerous videos here, we've got the full-size contract, the 6EZ7. There's also a micro contract, the M6E, which trades at 1/10 the size, so $1.25 per tick as opposed to $12.50. And then, of course, those that want to take even small risk can trade the micro lots in the Euro USD forex market. And then all of you stock and stock options traders can trade FXE, which you can see here. We have the same pattern, obviously, but you can trade instead of the futures or forex market, you can trade in your standard stock or stock options account by trading FXE, by shorting FXE, or buying puts or put spreads, or selling call spreads on the euro. Okay, we're also short the Canadian dollar from 81.70 right here on a break below this low. First targets we're looking at are 80.40. We've come down here to 80.78 and 80.60. So we're about 20 ticks away from meeting our first profit objective. We'll move our stops down below. So another trade that's around 70 to 80 ticks in the money. That's $700 or $800 per contract in the Canadian dollar. And then last but not least, we'll take a look at the 30-year bonds. We shorted 30-year bonds on a break below a large 1, 2, 3 top formation, which coincided with the 50% retracement level break. We're short from 154.10. First targets are going to be 150.10. So down here at these swing lows, it's a 4 handle or 4-point total profit objective, which is $4,000 per contract. We recommended taking half the position off here at around 153 to 153.10 this morning to lock in 1 full point or $1,000 per contract, and stops on the balance to break even. So now it's a no risk trade. We've already booked $1,000 per contract. Those trading TLT have locked in $1.25 per share, and then this is of course based on 100 shares, so $125 locked in on a 30-year bond, $1,219 locked in on the futures contract. So those of you that are leery about trading commodities or futures, you can do a lot of what we do in the stock or ETF/ETN market, trading these seasonal moves. Remember, we combine seasonality with technical patterns to put the odds in our favor. So feel free to take a trial, and we hope to see you on the inside.
Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.